has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 11:15 a.m. At 10:49 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Quarryville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near gap around 11:10 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Little Britain, Christiana, White Horse, Kirkwood, and Georgetown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Wait.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, effective until 11:20 a.m. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of